Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a Ghostery tracker and ad blocker on your Google Chrome as an extension. So if you use a ad blocker, of course no more annoying ads, but there is another alternative. This is the Ghostery tracker. Not only act as a advertise blocker, but here we go. You can browse the web saver faster with a less annoying ad with this Ghostery tracker. This is a powerful and easy to use privacy extension, block ads, of course, trackers, and speed up your web. And with over 100 million downloads, you can add this extension into your Chrome. So you can click add to Chrome, click add extension, await the process. Here we go. And of course, Ghostery is more than just Chrome ad blocker. It provides comprehensive privacy protection while minimizing the need for customization and maintenance. Here we go. This is the Ghostery. We make privacy easy. So you can just click enable Ghostery. But with Ghostery disabled, only the basic functionality of naming tracker is available. So you can choose enable Ghostery or keep disabled. Let's try enable it. Setup successful. Ghostery is all set to stop tracker in their tracks and protect your privacy while browsing. So here the Ghostery automatically pin extension for easy access at the top of your screen. This is the Ghostery. And Ghostery will show how many trackers were blocked on a page. Clicking on the Ghostery icon reveal more detailed information here. So Ghostery has nothing to do in this page, but if there is something, this ad blocking will be give you a notification, anti-tracking, and never consents. Feel free to try to add Ghostery tracker and ad blocker into your Chrome extension. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.